30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey and let's enjoy the ride together.
Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again with the Zero FX. This is 2023, and I'm super excited because this is 46 brake horsepower, 78 foot-pounds of torque, 76, 78, something like that. 289 pounds. You have fully adjustable front, fully adjustable rear. This is more of the dual sport option from Zero, and I'm super excited to ride this. It does have the little bit less comfortable seat, but it is a tall seat height. But because it's so light, it just falls over. Oh. Yeah. So we are 80% charged, and we're on the road. Oh yeah, stand-up position on this is really good. Woohoo! Yeah. Now again, this is not my bike. I'm not going to go crazy with it. And I'm also not wearing gear, which I usually am wearing gear, but I was finishing my day, and Randy here at Randy's Cycle came out and he said, "Oh, wait, before you go today, you got to ride this one." I'm like, okay. Twist my arm. Woohoo! Yes! Oh god, this thing is so light. I didn't bring my dual sport boots. Oh god, this torque is immense. Oh. Oh, wow. Woo. Speaking of Randy, this does have ABS, so it's not going to let me brake, do the rear brake. Oh, oh boy. Oh. So we did a little bit of gravel there. That was fun. This is a fun option from Zero, honestly, because it is very, very light. I mean, and the power delivery on this versus, let's say, for example, WR250F. I got to ride one. It's so much fun. Loved it. You know, it made me want to buy a dirt bike, honestly. I haven't ridden dirt bikes since I was a little kid, and it made me want to ride one. It made me want to buy one. This is Zero's option, and this is, honestly, this is, the torque figure on this is crazy. I mean, a slight twist of the wrist, that back tire just starts spinning. Slight twist of the wrist, the front just starts getting real light. I mean, it's just the nature of what this is. I mean, this is not going to have a lot of range. It's not built for that. I mean, if you were going to do single track or a little bit of trail on something like this bike would last a good amount of time. I mean, 36 miles on a single track? Yeah, that's a good day. That's a good day. On the street? No, it's not going to last. It's just not what it's for. Oh. And riding down the road, yeah, it rides like a dirt bike. I mean, super slim in the tank as you're going down the road. Like I said, it's super slim. You're going to be uncomfortable after a little bit because this seat's not built for a long haul at all. And you just got to know what you're getting. This is a lot faster than the WR250F. It's a lot faster. Oh boy. But, again, you're not buying a bike like this because you care about the top speed. You're not. I mean, I don't care what kind of trail riding you do. You're generally not going to be going 70, 80 miles an hour. I mean, so WR is fine for that, but this does give you a little bit more options. It has modes. I don't know what they are. Eco. So I have eco mode. So it's toning it down. So I'm going to get a little bit more, probably a little bit more range out of eco mode than I would if I left it in sport. But how much is that impacting the experience? How much is that impacting the power of a bike? It's a good question. So let's put it at 50. Alright, 50 miles an hour. Right there. Alright, right there. Get it. And it limits the top speed to 71. Okay. So now we know. So let's go to sport mode. It's custom sport. Okay. Let's put it at 50 miles an hour. Get it. Even with these tires, it's just kind of on the road, no problem. Woo! Yeah, a little crosswind there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, front wheel came up just a little bit. Full throttle. I could not take this bike to work because it wouldn't make it. Because my trip to work is 40 miles. This bike is not going to make it 40 miles on a charge. It's just not going to happen. I honestly have fallen in love with zero motorcycles. I really have. And I've said it before, I will buy one when the charging infrastructure is better built out. Would I buy this one? I mean, I wouldn't. Honestly, I wouldn't put it out of my mind. You know, it's tempting. It really is. It's tempting. You know, if you're gonna do some dirt, this is not a bad option. You know, you can customize that power output to whatever you like and kind of experience what the bike can do. Alright, we're gonna go to eco mode and we're gonna hit this gravel again. and just kind of run back through the back one more time. It'll still kick the back wheel out, even in eco mode. It'll still kick the back wheel in eco mode. Oh boy. Oof. This is really fun. I know, it is. And the suspension is not even dialed in for me. And it's very, very comfortable. And see, it just, it's really good. This is really good. Oh, God, I don't know. Jesus, I'm barely even doing anything on that. Kickstand is way back there. Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 Zero FX. This is a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I honestly, like I said, it's tempting. It's very, very tempting. Oh man, it's got really good suspension. It's got really good handling. Just kind of goes through whatever you need it to go through. I mean, you got Pirelli Scorpions on it. It's a good tire. 21-inch front wheel. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. It's well. All right, everybody. Special thanks to Randy Cycle for letting us take this out and give it a ride, and we greatly appreciate it. And I tell you what, you can't ask for a better group out here. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.